Welcome to this guide on troubleshooting Apple Intelligence download issues. Apple Intelligence is an exciting new feature, but sometimes the download can get stuck. Let's explore why this happens and how to fix it. Apple Intelligence getting stuck during download is a common issue. Several factors can cause this, and understanding them is the first step to resolving the problem. First, server congestion occurs when many users try to download Apple Intelligence at the same time, overwhelming Apple's servers. Second, a poor or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can interrupt the download process. Third, corrupted temporary files or cache can interrupt the download process. Fourth, insufficient free storage space on your iPhone can prevent the download from completing. Fifth, iOS software bugs can affect the update process. Sixth, regional or language setting incompatibilities can cause issues. Seventh, carrier restrictions can interfere with downloads. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve these issues. A simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches that cause Apple Intelligence downloads to stall. For iPhones with Face ID, such as iPhone 10 and later models, follow these steps. First, press and hold the side button and either volume button simultaneously until the power slider appears on the screen. Slide the power slider to the right to power off your iPhone. Wait 30 seconds to allow the device to fully power down and clear any temporary glitches. Then, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen, indicating the iPhone is restarting. For iPhones with a home button, such as iPhone 8 and earlier models, the process is similar, but uses the top button instead. Press and hold the side or top button until the power slider appears, then slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds for the device to fully shut down. Press and hold the side or top button until the Apple logo appears to restart the iPhone. Restarting your iPhone clears temporary software glitches and stalled processes that could be causing the Apple Intelligence download to freeze. Try this simple fix first before moving to more advanced troubleshooting steps. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading Apple Intelligence. Let's check and improve your network step by step. First, verify your internet speed using sites like speedtest.net. Aim for at least 5 to 10 Mbps for smooth downloads. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap Wi-Fi, and connect to a strong network with full signal bars. Restart your router or modem by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in to refresh the connection. In Settings Wi-Fi, tap your network, choose Forget this network, then search for it again and reconnect. If Wi-Fi is still unstable, switch to cellular data temporarily until the connection improves. Some Apple Intelligence features require region-specific support. Open Settings, then General, then Language and Region. Tap Add Language, then select English US from the list. Confirm by selecting Use English US. Your device may restart to apply the changes. Next, tap Region and select United States. Setting language and region to English US aligns with server requirements, ensuring compatibilities that reduce download or installation stalls. This fix is especially helpful if you are outside the US. Apple Intelligence download and installation require ample free space for files and temporary unpacking. Insufficient storage can cause stalled or failed downloads. Ensure at least 10 gigabytes of free space is available. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage to check your available space. If you don't have enough space, delete or offload large apps to free up storage. Also, clear the recently deleted album in the Photos app to reclaim space. Regularly manage your storage to prevent future download issues. Fix 5. Reset all settings. This will reset system preferences without deleting your data. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. The iPhone will restart, resetting potentially corrupted or conflicting system settings that might block downloads, such as network, display, or privacy configurations, thus clearing obstacles to the Apple Intelligence update. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General in the Settings menu. Scroll down in the General menu and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset to see the reset options. Select Reset all settings from the options. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. Your iPhone will restart. This will reset potentially corrupted system settings like network, display, or privacy configurations, clearing obstacles to the Apple Intelligence update. If none of the previous fixes work, start with ensuring your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Newer versions often include bug fixes that can resolve download issues. Next, contact Apple support directly for personalized assistance. They can provide specific guidance tailored to your situation. As a last resort, back up your iPhone first, then perform a factory reset. Be cautious as this will erase all data, so ensure you have a complete backup before proceeding. To minimize future download problems with Apple Intelligence, regularly check for iOS updates. This keeps your device stable and secure by fixing bugs and improving compatibility. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update to see available updates. Next, maintain ample free storage space, which is crucial since Apple Intelligence downloads require at least 10 gigabytes of free space. Periodically review your storage and settings under General, then iPhone storage, and delete unnecessary files, photos, or apps to prevent download failures. Third, ensure a stable and reliable Wi-Fi connection during updates. Apple Intelligence downloads need consistent speeds of at least 5 to 10 megabit per second. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength in Settings under Wi-Fi and avoid cellular data, which can be slower or more prone to interruptions. Finally, be patient during peak download times. Server congestion often occurs right after major iOS releases or during evenings when many users are updating simultaneously. If your download stalls, wait a few hours and try again rather than forcing retries, as this can prevent unnecessary errors. Thank you for watching this guide on troubleshooting Apple Intelligence download issues. If these tips helped resolve your problems or prevent future ones, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.